Hi, I'm Cameron.
I'm Kaylee, and we're here to teach you about the importance of water.
Okay, so we're here to start off with water distribution percentages.
The ocean holds about 97% of the Earth's water. The remaining 3% is found in glaciers and ice in the bottom of rivers and lakes.
Of the world's total water supply of about 332 million cubic miles of water, about 97% is found in the ocean.
Only 2.5% of water is fresh, and of that 1% is accessible to humans to drink.
Next comes the water cycle. The water cycle starts with the ocean driven by heat of the sun, then it changes into vapor and rises to the air. Next, water vapor cools and changes back into liquid form. Then comes precipitation. The underground water filters down and moves towards the ocean. Then there's the surface runoff. Then plants open their pores for carbon dioxide and loses water for evaporation. Then the water moves back into the ocean.
The water cycle is responsible for distributing water across the earth through evaporation, condensation, and precipitation, a process that is vital for sustaining life on earth by providing water to plants, animals, and humans.
New York City's Department of Environmental Protection estimates that leaks make up about 10% of the water demand of the city. That's over 50 million gallons a day. Turns out 19,352,154 gallons of water was lost per year. We can actually reduce the amount of water lost in our lives by taking quick showers, eat less beef, make sure you turn off the faucet all the way back to make sure it stops leaking, and don't water the plants. Let the rain take care of it, and drink a certain amount of water per day.
To show how bad polluted water can actually be, we tested radish seeds in polluted water and clean water as an experiment. 6 radish seeds went into each petri dish, and we let the seeds grow for 7 days and measured them every 3 days, making sure to compare and contrast the rate of growth for the control group and the pollutant group. In the control dish, all of the seeds grew because the water has enough nutrients for the plants to grow and sustain life. In the polluted dish, no seeds grew because of the salt water dehydrating the seeds instead of nourishing them. We learned that salt water dehydrates the seeds, which caused the plants to not grow. Salt water doesn't have the nutrients to help the seeds sprout.
The more water we waste, the more it becomes unhealthy for us to drink. Water from the ocean and lakes can be unhealthy for the plants to drink according to the water pollution in plants. According to the number of gallons of water we wasted per day, we won't have a lot of water left in the future. And this is very unhealthy for our environment.
To conclude, if we continue wasting water as much as we do now, in the future we won't be able to access the clean drinking water we need to survive.
Just remember to conserve water as much as you can.